Hi, my name is Catherine Monroe, and this is my career path timeline. So in spring of 2003 is when I officially declared my major as secondary education history government. I started off as a psychology major. After about a semester, I realized that it probably wasn't the best place for me. I called my aunt and asked her opinion. We had quite the conversation. And in that conversation, she reminded me that I used to play school with my brothers and suggested checking out education. I've always loved social sciences, so it seemed like a natural fit to do secondary social science uh, education, and so that's where I began pursuing my degree. So I technically graduated with my undergraduate in August of 2006. However, at that time, KU had the 5th year program, and the 5-year program required once you graduated with your undergrad, you completed some master's coursework while doing your student teaching. And so that's what I did from August 2006 to May 2007. And in my first placement was at a high school for 8 weeks, and then I was part of the professional development schools in Lawrence or at KU, and I ended up being placed at Lawrence Central Junior High at the time. It is now Liberty Memorial Central Middle School in Lawrence, but at the time it was Lawrence Central Junior High. And I was placed there from October to May, completed my PDS program, which included an action research project. I ended up being hired on as a social science teacher. I taught 7th through 9th grade social studies, and I coached 8th grade volleyball and 8th and 9th grade track, focusing on sprinting, long jumping, and relays. So I began that job in August of 2007. I only coached for 3 years that I was there, but I was there at Lawrence Central Junior High for 4 years. When they transitioned their district model from junior high, senior high to middle school, high school, I went ahead and moved up with the 9th graders to Lawrence Free State High School. So in August of 2011, I began teaching at Lawrence Free State High School. And then in August 2012, I got the opportunity. I applied for that spring and was offered the position to become a secondary learning coach. So in August 2012, I accepted that position, began the work in that. I was supporting 2 middle schools and 1 high school, including Central and Free State, both buildings that I had taught at previously. So I did this for a couple months, and then there became a necessity to replace some administrative roles that had become open mid-year unexpectedly, and one of those was the curriculum specialist. And so I ended up transitioning from a learning coach into the curriculum specialist role. In that curriculum specialist role, I oversaw social science curriculum and advisory curriculum, middle school advisory. So social emotional learning would be a good part of the focus of that curriculum work. And so I did that for a year. And then the district went through a restructure and they eliminated the curriculum specialist roles and created positions called TOSAs, or teachers on special assignments. And so I did that for another year, again, overseeing social science curriculum and overseeing the advisory curriculum. And found that in that process, I really liked administrative work. I really liked curriculum work, but I was really missing students. And so in this time frame, I was also working on my master's and earned my master's in curriculum and instruction with an emphasis in social sciences from University of Kansas, from KU as well. But missing the students became pretty clear that I wanted to be back in a building with the students. And so I transitioned in August 2014 to being a learning coach part-time and then part-time teacher at Lawrence Free State High School. So I was based at the high school as both the instructional coach and as a social science teacher. There was another instructional coach who was at the other high school, at Lawrence High School, who was also part-time. And so her and I formed the team with our middle school counterparts, and the 6 of us, actually it was 4 of us at that time, sorry, the 4 of us would present professional development at the district level, at building levels, and really formed a team to support one another. And so I did that for 3 years. And then in August of 2017, I felt like the need to go full-time in a learning coach role. In that process of the 4 years that I was a learning coach, I found that a big passion of mine was actually supporting new teachers to the profession and new teachers to a district. I really love supporting people coming into this profession that I have a passion for, and helping them develop a similar passion. And so I did that for a year at Lawrence South Middle School. However, I found at that time in my life, middle school was maybe not the best placement for me. And so the next year, I decided to go ahead and transition back into the classroom. And in August of 2018, I returned to Lawrence Free State High School as a social science teacher, and remained there. So until 2020, May of 2020. But in that time frame, while I was at Free State and also while I was at Lawrence South Middle School, I was working on my Ed Specialist degree at Fort Hays State in administration, and I earned that degree in May of 2019. So in May of 2020, I left Lawrence Public Schools after 14 years teaching there. It was a really hard decision, but it was a decision that I felt was best in my career at that time. It also put me significantly closer to home. And so I began in August of 2020 during COVID teaching social sciences at DeSoto High School in DeSoto, Kansas. And that was an interesting experience. I learned a lot. All of the faculty meetings or staff meetings or professional development were done via Zoom, as many of you know. And also, that's how I met a lot of my colleagues. And so it was definitely an obstacle to overcome, but I greatly loved it here, greatly loved the professional growth that I was afforded. And in May of 2022, the opportunity for the school improvement specialist came open, and I applied, and I ended up getting that position. And so in July of 2022, I began my job as a school improvement specialist in DeSoto, at DeSoto High School. And in that role, I am in charge of new teacher support, both novice teachers and new to the building teachers. I am also in charge of, I shouldn't say in charge. I also oversee all assessments, minus Kansas assessments, but like the PSAT, ACT, all of those. And additionally, I am the liaison for social sciences and world languages in the PLC process. And then there's some additional committees that I work with. And so that is where I am currently. And I hope that by 2038, I am able to retire from education and have had a fulfilling and rewarding career ending as an administrator. So those are that's my career pathway and my career goal.